Hey you guys, we are starting multiplication this week. So exciting. All right, today's goal, this is our objective. We will use equal groups to find how many in all. So we're going to find a total today by counting equal groups to find the total, okay? Equal. When we talk about equal, let's look up here. I have some examples of equal groups. Well, what are equal groups? Equal groups have the same number of objects in each group. Okay, that's important. Equal, think about the same. Equal groups have the same number of objects in each group. Let's look at example 1 up here. My groups that I drew were squares. Those represent my equal groups. And as you can see, there are stars in each group. All right, and equal groups have the same number of objects. So stars represents the objects, and notice there are three stars in each group, okay? So again, here we have 4 equal groups. All you have to do is just count. Count the squares, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 groups of how many objects are in each? 3 stars. So 4 groups of 3. And to count, to find the total number, all we have to do, you guys, is skip count. So watch me. You start here, and we can say 3, 6, 9, 12. So to find our total, we skip count. And here, how many total stars do I have? I have 12. So here I had 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 3 stars in each group, and the total number of stars is 12. So 4 groups of 3 equals 12, and I can say 12 stars. Okay, let's look at this second one. I drew circles with hearts inside, okay? So the circles represent my groups, okay? And the objects in each of those groups, in each of the circles, are the hearts. Notice that these groups represent equal groups because there are 2 hearts in each group, okay? When you think about multiplication, we have to work with equal groups, and there has to be the same exact number of objects in each group. So let's count. First, let's count our groups. Ready? Let's count the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 groups. Again, the circles represent the groups, and the objects in each group are hearts, and there are 2 hearts in each group. So we would say 5 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 2. To find the total number of hearts in all of the groups, all we have to do is skip count. Skip count by 2s because there are 2 hearts in each group. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let me write that underneath. I like to write it, when I skip count, write it underneath the groups. Actually, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So there are a total of 10 hearts in all. And notice how skip counting does make it easier and a little faster to count. But you guys, let's say there are 9 in each group. And 9s, when you skip count by 9s, give you some, it's just a little harder, and that's okay. You can always count the objects in each group by 1s. Do whatever it takes to get the right answer, am I right? So if you just wanted to go back and count the hearts by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, might have taken you just a little bit longer, but we just want you to get the right answer, right? That's our end goal. Let's look at the third example. This time, equal groups are triangles. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups, 6 equal groups. And I know they're equal, you guys, because they have the same number of objects in each group, the little circles. So look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this group, 5 here, 5 here. So there are 5 circles in each group. All right, So if there are 6 groups of 5 circles, and to find the total number of circles, we can definitely skip count. Let's skip count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, so 6 groups of 5 equals a total of 30 circles. Now, I was thinking this morning, I'm like, let's think of some real life objects that represent equal groups. Okay, so here, I love candy. I bet a lot of you do. Here are some packs of Skittles. These packs of Skittles represent groups, equal groups, okay? And how many packs do I have? I have 1, 2, 3. So this can be 3 packs of, now I am going to estimate the number of Skittles in each bag, but if I wanted to, which I probably will at lunch, I will open it up and see exactly how many are in here, but let's say there are 12, okay? There might be 15, but. So to find the total number of Skittles, I could just skip count. Excuse me, boys and girls, I could skip count by 12s if there's 12 in each. 12, 24, 36. So if your friend or mom wanted to know how many Skittles are in 3 packs, you can say 36. All right, here's another example of school supplies. Here are equal groups, represent equal groups. There are 2 glue sticks in each pack, which packs, you guys, also represent equal groups. So to find the total number of glue sticks, count by 2s, 2, 4, 6. This represents multiplication to get the total. Ooh, I found some gum. Anyway, here are 2 packs. The packs represent equal groups. How many pieces of gum are in each pack? On here it says 15. So to find the total, we can skip count, or you can add 15 2 times. 15 plus 15 is 30. So there are 30 sticks of gum in these 2 packs. I was thinking at home, you can have some plates in your kitchen, 4 plates. Let's say there's 3 cookies on each plate. So you would skip count 3s by 4 times, and that will give you a total of 12. I was thinking I have some crates in the room. Let's say I have 5 crates, and there are 2 soccer balls in each crate. So 5 crates of 2, so that's a total of 10. So these are some just real life objects that represent equal groups and the same exact number in each group. All right, before I wanted to practice 2 more problems. Here are some word problems that represent equal groups. So let's look at the first one. All right, Nathaniel has 6 toy cars. Each car has 4 wheels. How many wheels are there in all? What other operation do we also have to find the total number? Doesn't that question look familiar? How many wheels are there in all? If you thought addition, you are so right. So anyway, let's look back here. Okay, so I know Nathaniel. Remember, we're going to circle important numbers. Nathaniel has 6 toy cars, okay? Now that we're in multiplication, you guys, this word right here is so important. Each. I'm going to box the word each. Each car has 4 wheels. Let me circle 4. That's an important number. Again, we are trying to find the total number. How many wheels are there in all? Boys and girls, I've seen it a lot. We cannot just add 6 plus 4, okay? Let me show you why this is multiplication representing equal groups. We know we have a total of 6 cars. I'm just going to draw. When I represent multiplication, you guys, I think it's just easier and faster to either draw squares, rectangles, or circles to represent equal groups. You're going to figure that out very soon. So these 6 squares represent my 6 toy cars that Nathaniel has. Now it says each car. Each car has 4 wheels. I'm going to draw 4 circles to represent the wheels. So this car, you know what, this car has 4 wheels. This car has 4. So each car, you guys, has 4 wheels. So that's why I'm drawing 4 circles in each group. Now, how many wheels are there in all? We can go back and skip count all of the wheels that are in all 6 groups. So let's count by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Again, you can definitely go back and check your work by counting by 1s. Okay, so how many wheels are there in all? There are 24 wheels in all. Where's my... Okay, the last example. All right, let's look at number 2. Kalina, Caden, and Kara each have 5 pennies. How many pennies do they have in all? Okay, so we know 3 children, Kalina, Caden, and Kara, they each, I'm going to box the word each, they each have 5 pennies. How many pennies do they have in all? In this case, you guys, equal groups, the 3 children, the 3 students represent equal groups. There are 3 kids, so I'm going to draw just 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. And if you wanted to even label the circles, this is Kalina, Caden. These circles represent the 3 kids, the 3 students, okay? Kalina, Caden, and Kara. And the word problem says they each have 5 pennies. Kalina has 5 pennies. I like to just draw 5 smaller circles inside that group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Caden also has 5 pennies because it says they each have 5 pennies. And Kara has 5 pennies. Okay? Again, the question says, how many pennies do they have in all? So we are trying to find a total. We're going to skip count to find our total number of pennies the 3 kids have in all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's skip count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. So they have, how many pennies do they have in all? They have 15 pennies in all. And that, boys and girls, is how we use equal groups to find how many in all.